Okay, hi guys, how are you doing today? Today I will speak about this tattoo printer or this thermal printer. Here stay stigma, but that is not only the stigmas, that is plenty of these tattoo printers or thermal printers. Model is MHT-P8008. Yesterday I want to start my new tattoo, what I think about 2 years to make it, and finally I have make it ID, make it everything in my head, make it everything in Procreate, and I want to make it yesterday direct print out in this application what you have for this tattoo printer. And in Apple Store ask me if I want to make a new update, I make it, and then this printer stopped to do, not working anymore. And I tried 2 hours to find it what happening with this printer because of this update and everything. I'm searching complete Google, complete YouTube and everything to find problem of this and find solution, and I cannot find it. Because of that I'm making this video. Sorry for this starting process, why I'm making this video, but I want only to say you what happened with this one and why now this printer working. If you have same problem, you can try this, but I make it, maybe will help to you. You know how annoying for me was when my printer not working, then I almost going direct on Amazon and want to buy new one. I know this one is the cheaper tattoo printer, but was good printing and everything. That is my home printer or my convention printer. It's not in my studio. Okay, now for this stigma CNC, what same the name, no name, only I want to say this working on this MHT P8008 model. What I do it first, I might update this tattoo printer application. Then printer not want to work. I started and immediately not happened this thermal. Then I see it here was this X 1 2 3. First is power, second is error, third is energy, that is direct on USB cable, and fourth is Bluetooth. Then I tried here to connect it and I see it is connected. Okay, okay, I will only put it new language and then I will start it new one. I will put it complete, then you can see it better. I go it to mine and my device was connected. I want to print at something. This hexagons don't want to print it. Paper was there, everything was there, Bluetooth working, nothing happened. Not one, not what. Then I tried my printer version upgrade, not wanted. Then I tried paper stat, not wanted. I look it for my PC to make a drivers direct on PC and tried, not working. And then after 2 hours trying, for me was end. I don't want to. I want to take this printer and put it in trash and everything. My wife tried to do something. Then my wife tried to push it 1 2 3. and try to shut down. When it's done, then I put it direct on the cable and leave it 1 hour to do something. Maybe I think maybe it's problem in power, maybe it's problem in this, I don't know. We will leave it 1 hour. Then I started, put it normal the paper. Sorry because for I don't make it yesterday video, but that was so funny for me. Now you see it, normal working. You go it and pick it what you want to print it. Bluetooth working. I will print it these hexagons one more time. And he's working. On the end of the video, what I want to say, what is the biggest problem? Try to put your battery was down and try to put it on charging, and you will see it is good. I think it was charged because when you're going on the app, direct on the application, you see power is always on 3. I think it's okay, it's at half, I can working more. No, if it's full, they will going same on the half. If it's out complete dead, he was going here, this button will blue lights, and he will going on 3. I leave it complete night on the charging, and in the morning normal working. Try this, maybe will help to you. That is everything for this video. We will see each other in next video, and goodbye.